Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Mrs. Messy Bun. Today it's going to be a biryani recipe. You must think, what is new in this biryani? Yeah, I made it with chicken keema balls. It came out so amazing. Without further delay, come on, let's get into the video. So first, it's completely boneless. I have marinated it the previous night with the chili powder, ginger garlic paste, salt. Now I am going to blend it into keema. So I'm going to add coriander, a little bit of chili paste, and some mint leaves, and grind it into a nice paste, and not paste, with little chunks in it, so it will be easy when you, not easy, it will be, the chicken, you can taste the chicken. So for vegetarians, you do, if you don't want to you can use like paneer, you can make balls with paneer. uh, I will suggest that's an amazing alternative actually. So this is how the chicken is now. You can see a little bit of like chunks. You can see that some pieces are big and some pieces are small. That's okay because you are going to make it, you are going to make it into balls. Now I'm adding one egg and mixing it nicely, so that will give that shape for it. So I'm using like paniyaram pan for that. So instead of using my hand making the balls, I just directly put it in the paniyaram ball, so obviously it will come like balls. So if you don't want to fry it, you can make it in, you can add some I would say basin flour, and make it into balls and steam it in the idli pan. So in that way, if you want a steamed chicken balls, you can get that. Now see, I am adding um, the pieces, I mean the chicken keema, into the paniyaram pan, and it will be like this. So you'll get the balls like this. So you can eat it like this, like a snack. Now what I'm doing is, I'm heating the cooker with ghee, and adding all the whole spices like uh, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf, and the whole spices. And then I'm adding one whole onion and sauteing it nicely. Let it come to like glassy, yeah, translucent color. Then you can add ginger garlic paste. Actually, a quick tip: when you add onion, if you add like few teaspoon, few salt, the onion will cook easily. That water will separate from the onion, so it will cook fast. That's a small tip, I would say. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste and some chili paste, and I'm sauteing it nicely, so to get rid of the raw smell. uh, After the onion is become translucent, now I am adding some mint leaves uh, and coriander leaves. It's coarsely chopped. I didn't grind it or anything. I chopped it, and I'm sauteing it along with the onions. Then you can add tomato and saute nicely till the tomato is cooked. After the tomato is cooked, I am adding 1 tablespoon. I use everything like my measurement with my eyes. So garam masala and some biryani masala. You can add according to your taste. And now I am adding Ziraga Sambar rice. We say Jira rice, right? I washed it and I am adding it. uh, if you want the rice to become not to become sticky and what to say, overcooked, just saute the rice in the oil and then add the water according to the measurements. So I took 2 cups of rice. For that I added 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk to give some rich taste. If you add coconut milk, that will give more richy creamy taste. And when the rice is 3/4 cooked, now I'm going to test the taste. Salt, if you need more salt, add little more and then cook it. Now I am adding the balls. At this stage you have to add the balls, mix it well, and then close the cooker, keep it for like in the low to medium for around 10 minutes to 15 minutes, or until the rice is completely cooked. And you can see an amazing biryani is ready. We enjoyed it. Biryani is our favorite recipe, but still we have to make it in different kind. I hope you all like this video. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.